Welcome to Mexico. During this short screencast, we will cover what to expect and how to relate to our clients while installing Bomatic robotic milking systems for our valued clients in Mexico. We provide innovative solutions that help dairy farmers be more profitable while safeguarding animal welfare. Mexico is one of our closest neighbors. It is a strong country, and like the U.S., they rely heavily on agriculture, including dairies. In 2012, the country produced nearly 2.8 million gallons of milk for almost $3 million in revenue. It is our goal to help make the hardworking people of Mexico a little less tired by offering our robotic milking system for installation and service. As anyone who has ever worked on a dairy can attest, the work doesn't stop when the sun goes down or there is a weekend or holiday. The cows need attention 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. From calving to feeding and milking, without the dedication of dairymen and their families, there wouldn't be milk for us to drink or cheese and ice cream to eat. Dairy families treat their cows like family and do whatever is necessary to provide top-notch feed and care. Let's do our part to make the lives of dedicated dairymen a little easier. With our robotic milking system, the dairyman and his staff are able to spend less time in the milking parlor and more time doing other necessary tasks like calf watch, feeding and cleaning, and most importantly, quality time with their families. In Mexico, family is one of the most valued features of Mexican culture and will most likely include extended family, such as grandparents and family-in-law, as well as immediate family members, all under the same roof. Many of the dairies you will visit will have more than one generation working on the farm. It is of the utmost importance that we show respect for the elders of these families. The men and women of Mexico are strong and hardworking. They are fiercely loyal to their families. We need to take care to be respectful of all those we meet, using the formal tribute such as señor, señora, señorita when speaking to individuals, and usted and ustedes when addressing a group of two or more, can help prevent any misunderstandings when speaking to the dairy owners and families. Although you will have an interpreter with you while working, please remember to look directly at the person to whom you are speaking and allow enough time for the interpreter to communicate your information to the clients. Many of us already know some Spanish, and the people of Mexico are more than willing to help us learn more if we respectfully try and learn while there. You will find that they will encourage you to try and speak, and they may even laugh when you try and fail with a difficult word or phrase. Laughing along with them will build rapport and help break down any barriers. The people of Mexico are hardworking, but they are also fond of parties and playing. We understand there can be a language barrier, and we know that with care and respect we can successfully install for and instruct our clients in how to use and maintain their new time and energy-saving robotic milking system. Our systems are proven to provide a safe and efficient way for their cows to be milked more often and more thoroughly than with manpower alone. By allowing the cow to dictate when she is ready to be milked, milk production has been proven to increase drastically over the course of the cow's lactation period. This is mutually beneficial to both the dairy owner and the cow. This efficiency also allows more freedom for the owner and family. Celebrating is a favorite hobby in Mexican culture. Large parties and gatherings will often include a vast menu of delicious foods, which may be strange to you. Be open-minded and willing to try some of the delicacies offered. They may be spicy, so if you're not used to spicy foods, have something to drink in hand. Many of the foods offered will be familiar as they are integrated here in the U.S. They say that happy cows come from California. We at Bomatic are making it our company mission to ensure that happy cows come from wherever there is a Bomatic robotic milking system. Happy cows equate to a happy dairyman and family. It is our goal that your stay in Mexico is both a professional learning opportunity and chance to expand your cultural knowledge base while helping increase the family time for our neighbors to the south. Have fun, and remember to show respect and try new foods. By presenting ourselves, Bomatic employees, in a professional and respectful manner, regardless of customs and cultural differences, We have the opportunity to make the sky our limit in getting our time and energy-saving milking systems onto the farms of dairymen all over the world. Let's abide by our mission to make the dairyman's life a little easier by focusing on cow comfort and increasing their bottom line for milk production. Bomatic robotic milking systems, the way to the dairyman's heart.